You know those days when you need to trim the bushes or the trees, but you don't want to lug out the huge chainsaw? Then let me show you this 6-inch mini cordless brushless chainsaw that the brand sent over and compensated us for this video. But this thing is perfect for those smaller yard jobs where dragging out a big chainsaw just isn't worth it. It's super lightweight and easy to handle, so trimming branches, cutting firewood, or cleaning up after a storm is a breeze. Plus, it comes with 2 batteries, which is awesome because you can swap them out and keep going without waiting on one to charge. The brushless motor is a big plus too. It's quieter, more efficient, and lasts longer compared to those regular motors. And since it's cordless, you're not tied down to extension cords or worrying about gas. You just charge it up and you're good to go. You can even push the button on the back of the batteries and it will tell you how charged they are. And on the back of the actual chainsaw itself, it tells you how much percentage you have left on the battery. This little mini chainsaw has been perfect for my mom, but it's a great gift for dads, husbands, or anyone who likes tackling yard work without all that hassle. It's one of those tools you don't realize you need until you have it. Even the kids love to use it. We love ours and we think you'll love it too, and I hope this video helps.